Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and today I am sharing a project that I'm excited to share with you guys. So I've seen a lot of purses. This is not really a purse one, but Anna Griffin has some purse dies, which she sold on HSN, and they are completely sold out. I didn't buy them, but I went onto my Cricut because I know that she does a lot of Cricut cartridges. And she has something called Gracious Gifts or Gracious Giftables. It's a digital cartridge. And on that cartridge, they have 12, I think it's 12, different gift card holders that you can make using your Cricut. And so one of them happens to be a coin purse. So I decided to go ahead and test it out. So I've gone ahead and cut all the pieces. Also on that cartridge, there are beautiful print and cuts. They just didn't go, the colors didn't go with my project. So what I've got here is all the pieces. So you cut your main piece out right here, and it scores it. I put the score tool in as well. So it cut and scored it. You've got your piece for your gift card, which is going to go on the inside. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this or not. I think I might use it just for this one. This is basically something to keep it closed, like a belly band. And then I've got my pieces to accent it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with placing my handle pieces on. And because I'm using glitter paper, I'm going to use a little bit of wet glue if I can get it to work for me here. And the glue that I'm using is this art glitter glue, which I really like actually. I don't use glue that often. I prefer to use dry adhesive. It's kind of my jam. So this fits right in here. And one of the tips for this is to go to Anna Griffin's blog and search the name of the cartridge. I think it's Gracious Giftables or something like that. And get the actual sizing, because when you import this image into your canvas, it will not be the right size. So I don't know why that is, but it does not import into the right size. So if you go to cut it, it'll be, I think, small, very small. So if you go to her website, she has all the sizing that this should be. Okay, so there we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this side as well, just so that this side can be decorated cute as well. And this is a very easy project. It cuts very easily. There aren't a lot of pieces. Just really nice. I recommend using, I need to get this on here right, a double-sided cardstock for this project. I mean, you can do it without double-sided cardstock. I just don't think it'll be as clean of a project. Unless you want it white inside, which I guess it could be, but it won't be as nice. Now, I have a problem with my Cricut with alignment, so it did cut this part up here, but I'm okay with that because this is the first one I've made. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm kind of giving it a chance to dry a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and fold it on the score lines. I have a bone folder somewhere. Let's see here. Nope. Must be on my desk somewhere. I'm not going to worry about it. Oh, here it is. So there we go. And then the inside, you've got this piece right here. All I did was let's see, it's got the score marks on here. is just score this. Now this one, you don't need wet glue for. You could just use whatever you want, but the glue is out, so just go ahead and use it. I tend to not like it because I always worry about it, you know, rippling the paper. So this is just gonna there. And I have a gift card right here. So the gift card just fits just like that. Isn't that cute? I'm actually gonna move this down a little bit. Okay, so there we go. Gift card holder. And then this part fits along here, I guess. I'm gonna actually have it go this way because this one doesn't have any score lines because I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to cover up the seam with a flower. Okay. And get some glue right here. And so that's to help keep it closed. Now I'm going to make another one of these, but I'm probably going to use Velcro to keep it together. Okay, I'll have to hold this down for just a second here. So we'll give it time for the glue to dry. Okay, then I've got some flowers here. So it'll be a big, bold flower. Go ahead and place that right on the belly band. I'm going to hold that down. I don't know if this is going to stay on really well. Give it a chance here. Okay, so then I've got my sentiment, which I'm going to be using this little stamp set from Paper Tray Ink. I'm going to use this, A Gift for You. And I'm just going to stamp this on some white. And then I'm going to punch it out. This is going to hold very well. I probably need my hot glue gun. That's what I think. And stamp that. It's going to take a little while to glue. All right, so let me punch this out, and I need a 1 inch. There we go. I've had these hole punches forever and a day. All right, so this I'll just use a little bit of strip of double-sided tape. Okay, now this is not working real well. It's drying, it's just taking some time. So gift for you. Okay. It's just taking forever. So Let me just go ahead and put my needle back. But you guys get the idea of what it's going to look like. So let's see, a gift for you. I think I'm going to put that right here. And so there we go, gift for you. So this is going to slide off. It's on here. Pretty good. So this is going to slide off. And then you're going to open it up. And you're going to have your gift card right in there like that. There we go. Isn't that cute? And so this is the first one that I've made. So I am going to probably be making one for my Christmas project for the week for Christmas in July. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy's Creating with the Heart.